Corey from Yonkers, New York, has a question about a gable vent.
He's doing his roof over, Tom. And Corey writes, I have this single large gable vent, which looks like it leaked water to the window, causing mold, and my siding buckled too.
Ouch. That's pretty nasty looking.
That is pretty nasty. Looks like
someone needs a paint job.
Is that vinyl siding, you think? Kind of looks it. Anyway.
Might be.
If I close off the gables, should I do a ridge vent and soffits, or should I fix the gable vent that the whole house fan needs and replace the large gable and add another fan in the attic to pull the air? Corey wants to know what to do, Tom.
If he has a whole house fan, which was the original air conditioning systems down here in Houston, which used to open a window and the whole fan kicks in, you've got to have a lot of exhaust, and so you need something that big. So if you're going to use the whole house fan, I would go ahead and get this thing fixed, replaced, to make sure you have the openings you need to do all the other stuff. If you're going to air condition and heat like we do in modern day, the way we do it now, then yeah, you could close that up and you would use a ridge vent, soffit vent, but that's not if you're going to. A ridge vent will not handle a whole house fan. It's not big enough.
Yeah,
so it's going to get all kinds of weird pressures and stuff going on. So that's what I would do. I would not get into all the other stuff. I would either use the whole house fan and fix that, or get rid of that, get rid of the whole house fan, and put a ridge vent, soffit vent in. Those are my answers.
So the answer
You're giving me a funny look.
So the answer to your question, the answer is yes.
Well, no. The answer is, how are you going to live your life? Do you want that whole house fan? Do you got to have that big gable vent?
Okay, got it.
Okay.
All right. And if you want the whole answer, all you got to do is write to us. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com, and right there in the middle of the page, click on the Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it, just like these videos over here.